Hello everyone, welcome back in this session. In this session we will explore TreeShade in general, and we will not focus on specific subject. At first, here we are talking about extension called the TreeShade. I have developed this extension and it's totally free. You can install from Adobe Exchange. Go to exchange.adobe.com and from Creative Cloud search for the software TreeShade, or you can find the link in the description. This extension works on Adobe InDesign and Adobe Bridge. Adobe Bridge plays essential task for files management, assets management, and content management. Also workflow. Adobe Bridge have many features. TreeShade extension in Adobe Bridge have many features related to files. You have auto-generating, auto-exporting for InDesign document, forging relations between the links and the document, so you can select any photo in your whole project and find at any page in all your project this photo is placed. So this feature enables you to separate the links entirely from their document and put them in separated library where they have structure logically depending on the logic where the photo is supposed to be, not where the photo is used. The place that photo is used, it's not important, because there is a permanent relation, dynamic relation between the photo and the InDesign document. If you try to delete a photo that is used somewhere in your document, TreeShade will warn you that this photo is placed in a project. And you can query for locations where your photo is placed. You can select the photo like here, and from TreeShade menu you can query placing locations, and TreeShade will show you the placing locations. Here I don't have placing locations. If we go to, this is the folder of the software itself. Here I have documentation, and if I select the link and from TreeShade menu select query placing locations, now TreeShade create temporary query folder inside workflow folder, and inside this folder you have all the folder or the paths that this photo is placed. Like here. If we open all these folders is queries. It reflects the real locations where this file is placed. All these locations. And here you have a folder, have the same document name, and inside folder there is a JPG represent the page, like this. Because here the logo is used here in the corner. So all these folders in queries represent the location of the photo. And if you double click on the image, instead of opening the image, the InDesign document at that page will be opened. Now TreeShade will open the document on this page. See? Let's try again to see. See, automatic. Double click on the PNG and the document that represent the document that this image represented it opened on the same page. So if you have document have many pages, you can double click at any page to open the document. And here from TreeShade menu, you can select reveal the document in bridge to reveal the actual document. Here, while selecting the document, you can click here under pages to see the exported pages, up-to-date pages. And the same thing, you can click here to open the document on this page. This page used in the online form to represent the document. Like here, you have this text file that has ts_key. This flag in the file name determine the settings of the online form. And if you double click, TreeShade will ask you to open the online form. And the browser will reveal the document here. Here there is something wrong in the layout. Here I have options field because I have this flag ts_opt, abbreviation of option. When the file name have this ts_opt, then instead of revealing the text file as a text area field, it presented as option. So you can select an option here. But here the problem, the relation to determine the options of the file is wrong. Because this item here, you have in TreeShade menu sub-menu called the copying sequence. If you copy a file from place to place, the new copy have relation with the original and with the previous. The previous is the one step back. The original, the starting of the sequence. Here, if I select reveal original, it goes to wrong file. So I need to change the original, the copying sequence. I want to fix the relation, so I select this command, change original. To select a file exists in the options folder, the folder that I want TreeShade to take the options from. If we go here, inside the project folder, I have here options. So I think this is the options. Locations, center, down, top. This is the location of the text. You have center here. From window, let's select preview. So you have preview of the. Here you have text file, but this text file have thumbnail, because in TreeShade you can assign thumbnail to the text file by right click and select set thumbnail. Then you can select this command from image file and select an image, so the image assigned to the text file as thumbnail. Here the thumbnails used in the online form, so the user have thumbnails of the options. Here I have options for the text, top, down, and center. So, and here I have the color, red and white. Red and white. So I can select the color. Here I think item for what? Let's go to the file. I think I was testing the template, so forget about it. Okay. This text supposed to be live snippet. Let's close. Here in TreeShade menu, you have command. This command called new, because there is a folder called new set as template folder by default. So all the content of that folder revealed here as command. So you can click at any file to duplicate in current location in the current folder as shortcut. Like here I can select icon, and here you can rename service icon. Okay, and then you will have here file. Okay, that's enough for now. I will go live after 3 hours. So if you have time, join me after 3 hours at 3 PM UTC time. Thank you for watching and goodbye.